Perform the indicated operation. Assume that variables represent non-zero numbers. Here we have a trinomial 2x squared plus x minus 36 divided by a binomial x minus 4. So since this denominator term is something other than a single-termed monomial, let's divide these using long division. So we're going to set this up as x minus 4 divided into 2x squared plus x minus 36. And to begin our long division, we're going to focus on these first terms and say x goes into 2x squared how many times? Well, x goes into 2x squared 2x times. I'm going to move over one space so that I can align all of my like terms in the same column. Now let's multiply back. 2x times x is 2x squared, keeping like terms in the same column. 2x times negative 4 is a negative 8x. At this point within the long division, we need to subtract. And I like to do that by changing signs and adding. Or you might think of that as adding the opposite. With our first column, positive 2x squared and negative 2x squared cancel out. With the second column, positive x plus 8x is 9x. Let's drop our next term, the minus 36, and do it again. X goes into 9x 9 times. Notice that this is our numbers only column now. Multiplying back, 9 times x is 9x. 9 times negative 4 is a negative 36. And let's subtract by adding the opposite, or you might think of that as changing signs and adding. So a positive 9x plus a negative 9x cancels. Negative 36 and positive 36 cancels as well. This division problem has a 0 remainder. Let's clearly identify our answer. As we divide these two polynomials, that answer, also called the quotient, is 2x plus 9.